It is a little after 2 o'clock in the morning. It's 13 degrees, feels like 1, says the Weather Channel. At least there isn't too terribly much of a wind gust right now. But you're looking at the shops at Blackmore. The parking lot thoroughly covered, and it's still coming down ever so steadily, but not that heavily. Take a close look there. There's your snow coming down. It's coming down for several hours now. As you look up the street, let's bring it back out. And not much in the way of travel right now. Already there's road closures, so you're going to want to check YDOT or call 511. It's going to be pretty rough out there. Stay warm, stay safe. Just take your time about things and drive safely.